Today we're going to make this adorable, colorful, beautiful rainbow fish. In the next few videos, we'll be making a lot of paper plate crafts, so stay tuned. So the materials are a paper plate, scissors, a circle to trace, a paintbrush, googly eyes, blue paint, glue, and colored paper. So the first step is to get your paper plate, your paintbrush, and your blue paint, and then turn your paper plate around and paint it all blue. So the next step is to take any colored paper and then fold a little bit so that your circle can fit in it, and then cut that much out. So now I'm going to fold the paper in little parts. And then I'm going to trace my circle. And then we'll cut it out. And that way you can cut out many circles at the same time. So then you'll repeat this step for a couple more colored papers. Now that I have my colorful circles, I'll fold each of them in half. Put your folded scales to the side, and then take your paper plate. I left it to dry for about 20 minutes, and then you will cut out a triangle. Cut out the the triangle, we're going to stick it on the back as a fin. So I'm just going to put a little dot of glue on the corner and then stick it to the back of the fish. And then I'll take the googly eye, or you can just draw an eye and stick it on, and stick it on to the fish. And now I'll take my scales and I'll put a little line of glue and stick them on one by one. It looks very pretty right now, but it's going to look even prettier when we add fins. So I made my fins like this, but you can make them any way you'd like. So then glue them on to the fish. Hooray, our fish is finished. So you could color or paint your fish any color you want, and you could make the scales any color, and you can make the fins any color, and you can be very creative.